ready?
Almost. Hold on. You gotta wait for it to start.
We can start it. Alright, it's your boy Harrison Stewart back down here at Frank Myers with the Greer family.
Hey!
Greer family. Tell the people what kind of vehicle y'all taking home today.
We taking home a Buick Enclave, y'all.
Hey!
Hey!
Beautiful vehicle, back and forth to work, just like they need it. How was your experience today at Frank Myers?
It was wonderful.
Awesome. Y'all heard that. If y'all want a wonderful experience, just like the Greers did, come to Frank Myers to see me. My name is Harrison Stewart. My phone number is 354-4084. And on 3, we're going to welcome the Greers to the family.
Right behind you.
2, 3. If y'all want to do the same thing, come on down to Frank Myers Auto Maxx and see me. My name's Harrison Stewart, and we out.